Hi guys, I know I'm incredibly late with this video. It's not even November anymore and this is me opening my November boxes. I was just going to skip the video, but I felt oddly wrong about opening these without you guys. So, you know, if you're not interested anymore, they're November boxes, they're old news. I'll see you in another video, but I just felt kind of wrong doing this without you guys. So, into my November Glossy Box, and I am going to put a quick explanation at the end why I've been kind of AWOL, and for those of you that don't want to stick around but still want to know, I'll put a quick note in the description bar as well. So, normal packaging for Glossy Box, no fancy papers, although I expect December's when they show up will be a bit fancier. Let's see. I ripped my tissue paper. Right. Okay. So, oh, and we've got a December sneak peek again. We've got a roll-on shimmer from Bella Pierre. I feel like we get a lot of Bella Pierre in Glossy Box and things. Anyway, okay, so we've got deep conditioning hair mask. My curls. I have straight hair. I'm fairly sure Glossy Box know that. It's apparently one of the leading hair care brands in Brazil, and it contains 7 hydrating oils. This cruelty-free miracle mask moisturizes and defines curls, leaving your hair hydrated while controlling volume and preventing frizz. Okay, I'm fine with the whole hydrating, but I don't need to control my volume. But my hair, because I've been colouring it a lot lately, it probably could do with some more attention. So this is the deluxe mini size, which is £2.10. So that's quite a nice size for travelling actually. And then we've got a, ooh, this is definitely more my thing. Context Microderm Regenerator. It's a 2-in-1 cleanser with a difference. Using professional microdermabrasion crystals, it gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants also protect scales and fight free radical damage to leave your skin feeling soft and your skin, actually it says your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's cruelty and fragrance free too. Again, this is the deluxe mini size and it's worth £6.50. My skin has been awful lately, so this is definitely something I'm excited about. And in fact, if I'd known this was in there, I probably would have gave in and opened it without you guys. We've got a little extra treat, which is a sample of Chloe, which I don't think I've smelt before. Okay. So they say it's fresh and feminine with notes of classic rose. I'd say that's probably about right. Rose isn't my favourite, but this is light enough that actually I'm finding it quite pleasant. So next I've got a Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate. So clinically proven and developed by dermatologists, the Balancing Skin Concentrate has a unique complex of green tea and vitamin C to help improve skin texture, moisture, radiance, oiliness and skin tone evenness in just 28 days. I'm not sure I'm going to get 28 days worth out of that. From day 1, 95% of women had smoother skin, and by day 28, 90% noticed visibly healthier skin. What more could a girl want? So again, this is the deluxe mini size, which retails at £5.83. And you can get it from yourgoodskin.com. Right. And then, oh, we've got an eyeshadow palette from Style. I'm guessing they still want to be known as, oh no, actually, even better, they only have one L for Style in London, so Style London? I don't know. But this is sealed, which is always nice to see. And it says this is the Eton eyeshadow palette. Eton Square, it says in the back of it. And it's a pocket-sized, cruelty-free palette. Has endless possibilities for going out on the town or warming up your daytime look this season. From daytime neutrals to autumnal bronze hues, both matte and pearlescent, this is the only palette you need. RRP $9.99. Oh, that's very pretty. There's nail gouge in one of mine, which is weird because I just took a seal off of it. Yeah, I do like these more pinky toned shades, but this is absolutely, this looks gorgeous. I mean, I don't reach for neutrals a lot, I don't buy them a lot, but this is, I don't know why I'm covering the top, there's not even a mirror in this. It does feel a little bit cheap, but then $9.99 for 9 eyeshadows, it's definitely a more budget option, but that's nice, it's cool, but I wouldn't think of it as a pocket palette. I mean, it's pocket size, like they said, but it's not got a mirror in it, so it's not really an on-the-go ideal thing. And then last but not least, we were all told last month that we were getting a Huda liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Venus, and the RRP for these is £18. I have never tried anything from Huda before. It's a bit of a dark nude. I don't know how that'll work out for me. And it smells coconutty, which I don't like. Most people do like coconut, I accept I'm a weirdo. But this is, it's a nice colour, it's maybe a wee bit dark for me, but it probably will go quite well with that palette, so maybe we'll try that out. So, nice mix from Glossybox, some good skincare, some good makeup, and a bit of hair, and then the bonus perfume, always nice. I'm running out of space, oh no. So my time off was not spent tidying the beauty room. Anyway, so Birchbox is a Disney Nutcracker themed box. Well, the outer box is. I'm not aware of the inner box. I do really like this print they've got all over the back with like the kind of almost Fabergé style eggs, keys. Is that a wee mouse? Yee, I like mice. Okay, enough about the box. Contents of the box. So, the leaflet's all themed up as well. Okay. So, Manna Kadar we knew we were getting, and it's the Diamond Dust. I've got the shade Pixie. I can't remember if I bothered going in and choosing this or not. Where do you open? Where's it gone? My god, I'm being useless. See, 2 weeks off and you forget how to do this. So, the full size, but this is the full size, sorry, so the RRP is £15, so straight off that's the price of your box, right there. And then roll on shimmer, that's nice actually. No, I'm not going to put it on. That's really pretty. And it blends out really nicely too, if you want to be more subtle. And I've got a stain from that liquid lipstick, even though I wiped it off really quickly. So yeah, it just says add a touch of sparkle and shine to your eyeshadow game with this shimmering treat. It's also marked as being a Birchbox exclusive. So it says if you're feeling bold, experiment by applying to the tops of your cheekbones or over a glossy lip. So the next item that grabs my eye, I've definitely had products from before. I think I've had an eye product from before, and it's the Polar brand, Polar, because it's got 2 E's, and this is their night cream. The full size would be £32, and it says, effectively a great night's sleep in a pot, this moisturiser works to brighten your skin overnight. Enriched with boreal algae, an ingredient that reacts to the blue light of the moon to boost cell renewal, you'll wake to a plump, healthy-looking complexion. Just apply generously to clean skin before bed. So does that mean if I sleep with my curtains open it's going to be more effective? Because otherwise it's not going to get the light from the moon. I don't think I'll try that though, because I quite like having curtains. But no, good overnight cream is definitely something I should try out. We've got another mask. This is a self-heating eye mask. I wonder whether this will be a real self-heating mask or like the last one. So RRP for this is $3.50 per mask. And it says, unwinding from a stressful day isn't always as easy as it sounds. When you're struggling to switch off, reach for this relaxing space mask infused with mood-calming jasmine. A thin layer of iron filings inside the mask entwine with oxygen molecules in the air, causing the mask to heat up for soothing results. It's a real one! Okay. That I want to try. That's going to be weird and cool. I need to grow up. We've got a small sample of the Paul & Joe Illuminating Foundation Primer. I like that they're still made at the same bottle as their full size, although I don't buy Paul & Joe. I'm pretty sure they're not cruelty free. So boo. It says it's a base that infuses skin with radiance, and a luxurious primer that hydrates, firms and smooths skin and brightens your complexion. Smooth a couple of pumps onto clean skin before applying your foundation for instant luminosity, and it helps lock your makeup in place all day too. Well, yeah, it just makes me sad that I'm pretty sure they're not cruelty free, because they always bring out loads of really cute stuff. Anyway, so next we have another eye mask. Okay, it's getting into the party season, so that kind of works out. So this is from Beauty Boulevard, and this is the full size, as evidenced by the barcode. So it's £8.50, and it says there's 2 eye mask sets. Now I wonder whether that means 2 as in 1 for each eye, or I'm opening it out of curiosity. So what it says is, no matter the source of your tiredness, travelling, late nights, etc., chances are your eyes could use some relief. Hydrate, soothe, depuff and brighten with these eye masks that are both effective and pretty to look at. Okay, it is 2 sets, so that's pretty good. Oh, they're sparkly gold, that's why they're pretty to look at. Okay, apply to clean skin for about 20 minutes, then remove and massage in any excess serum. So I'll definitely get a try out of those. Superdrug keep discontinuing and doing weird things with those ones that I love from there, which are really effective and really affordable, but you know, I'll play with any other ones that come along. And then next month, or this month, we're getting a Laretzi Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the colour Power or Tidal. So yeah, I'm gonna call it for Glossybox. They had more cruelty-free stuff and a bit more variety. I mean, we've got free skincare products. 2 of them are eye masks, and then primer. I mean, technically it's in the makeup category, but it's crossing into the skincare as well. And then just a roll-on shimmer. So I think Glossybox wins for like variety and things. So yeah. And value with that palette and the Huda lipstick. So one last thing that I wanted to bring into this video, because it doesn't really fit in any other video, is my lovely mum bought me the Marks and Spencer's Beauty Advent Calendar, and I haven't opened today's yet. So these things are so cool. They've just got little gift boxes all in it, and I'm now going to put it back down because it's awkward as F. So yesterday I got a L'Occitane Verbena shower gel, and now let's see what's in D2. And if you guys are interested in more about that calendar, just let me know and I can start posting on Instagram. So we've got a Filorga Time Filler Eyes, more eye stuff, and it's an eye correction cream. So this is definitely a wee sample size, but you know, it's a good brand, and I like, this is the second time I've had the beauty calendar from Marks and Spencer's, and I really enjoyed it last time. So, and it's just cute. It's like treat yourself and things. So yeah, so that's that. So if you do want to see more things that come out of my advent calendar, just let me know, and like I said, I'll post it on Instagram. So if this is all you want to see from this video, I will catch you later, and hope you're having a fun month now that we're out of November and I'm just being late. So if you do want to know more about why I went AWOL for 2 weeks, my mood took a kind of bad turn, as it tends to do, and I ended up having to take a day off of work because of that, and I just wasn't in a good place. I was struggling getting up in the mornings. I was turning up at work without makeup on because I was prioritising staying in my bed over that, and my mum actually moved in for a week to look after me, and yeah, I was kind of getting the bare essentials done and nothing else, and unfortunately that meant I didn't get any videos filmed. So, you know, If you've been around my channel for a while, I've posted a video about this before. It's something that I've had for a while. I get help. I have a really great support network, but just sometimes it's worse than others. So sorry that I kind of abandoned you guys for 2 weeks. I'm going to do my best not to do that again, and I will see you soon. Bye.